Hello everyone, and we are back with another Universe Sandbox video. And I have known that there is an update. So, in this update, we have a green comet, close encounters with the asteroid kind. I don't want that to exist, but I want it to exist as well. The non-existent planet, 12 new moons of Jupiter, and a spherical cow. Sure. And there's just a button called Launch Spherical Cows. Okay, let's go to... On March 2nd, 2022, astronomers at the Zwicky Transient Facility discovered a new comet, C/2022 E3 ZTF. This comet passed the Sun at its closest point on February 1st, 2023. The comet's orbital path is unknown, but it will be likely over 50,000 years until it revisits Earth. C/2022 E3 ZTF has a green coma or head, which may be due to carbon molecules on its surface evaporating when exposed to ultraviolet light from the Sun. The surface of the comet is not actually green. We have colored it green to represent the green light it gives off, since Universe Sandbox does not simulate the physical mechanisms that lead to the emission of green light. Likely the surface of this comet is actually black or gray. This thing would take 50,000 years. Is it even orbiting the Sun anymore? Yeah, it's flying by. It's not orbiting. Wow. Is it actually losing material? That is fast! 3,000 kilometers per second. Thing's moving fast. Okay. Yeah. We have that. Next up, we have close encounters of the asteroid kind. Okay, on January 26, 2023, asteroid 2023 BU passed within 2,200 kilometers of the Earth, or just under half the length of the US, which is like that much. It passed that close to Earth. Or about the distance from Portugal to Poland. So we got Portugal here and Poland. That is really like Portugal here, like around there, and Poland like around here. That is insane. Wow. 2023 BU is about 8 meters across and is not a threat to Earth. It came so close that Earth's gravity acted like a slingshot and changed its orbit to a 425-day orbital period. This planet changed this thing's... Wow. Okay, let's see how close it got. So... Yep, okay. Whoa! That was very fast. Look how close it got. Got so close. It passed over India, I think. But wow. Look at the orbits. Yeah, now it got slingshotted all the way out there. Almost to Mars. That's cool. Okay. Well, that was really good. Next, the non-existent planets. In the 1800s, many astronomers thought there was a planet called Vulcan between Mercury and the Sun. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of reading. In the 19th century, many astronomers thought there was another Mercury-sized planet orbiting between Mercury and the Sun. Mercury's orbit wobbles slightly around the Sun. The gravitational pull on Mercury from all the other objects in the solar system can explain most, but not all, of the observed wobbling. In 1843, Urbain de Verrier predicted it was because of a planet called Vulcan around there, after the Roman god of fire, because, you know, there's kind of a trend going on with planets and Roman gods. Despite the claimed discovery in 1859 by the French physician and amateur astronomer Edmond Lescarbault, attempts to confirm its existence were unsuccessful. When Einstein published his theory of relativity in 1915, he used his new understanding of gravity to show that a space bending around the sun's mass, like a bowling ball on a trampoline, caused Mercury's additional wobbling. This new theory doomed Vulcan, which is no longer thought to exist. While you can't see the slight difference in precession of Mercury in Universe Sandbox, because it does not simulate general relativity, Vulcan remains a piece of astronomical history. It is simulated here with the orbital parameters from Leverrier's original claimed discovery from 1859. This would actually make our solar system a lot cooler. Like, imagine this. Vulcan. We got Vulcan as a planet. That would be really cool. How fast would it go? Yeah, this would, like, that would be very cool. Okay, next up we have pressing C on a planet now always points you towards the horizon. Taking off returns you to your previous position. See the 12 new moons recently discovered around Jupiter. Okay. Oh, wow. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It also has the most moons. In 2023, a team of astronomers announced the discovery of 12 more moons orbiting Jupiter, bringing the total to 92. 92 moons. We've highlighted the 12 moons that were part of this 2023 announcement in this simulation. Nine of the moons orbit Jupiter in a clockwise direction, opposite the rotation of Jupiter, called a retrograde orbit. These moons are also far from Jupiter, suggesting that the planet's gravity captured them and pulled them into orbit. The other 5 moons are in counterclockwise orbits in the same direction as Jupiter, called prograde orbits. This suggested these closer moons formed around Jupiter. And just for reference, if we get Earth here, this is the distance from Earth to the Sun. Okay? This is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. And Jupiter's moon stretched out all the way here, which is like 0.1 astronomical units. 1/10 of the distance to the Earth, from the Earth to the Sun. So, if you were standing here, then, just wait a second. Alright, never mind. So here we got, like, that's insane. What's new again? We added a spherical cow. Experience 100 spherical cows hitting Earth at light speed. Yes. Earth and 100 spherical cows at the speed of light. In this simulation, 100 spherical cows impact Earth at the speed of light, creating a cloud of fragments and superheating a small region of the planet. Spherical cows refer to a joke when physicists want to make a problem simplify, and sometimes simplify it so much that it's no longer realistic. In total, these cows would release 10 times the energy that would be released by setting off every nuclear weapon on Earth. Ouch. That would hurt. Yeah. That would hurt the Earth. We're going at 1 second per second, basically. And this is how fast the fire flame would be going. What is going on with the texture? Why does the texture become black and white? It's not black and white, it's just like, oh, it's just a wall of fire. Wow. So basically half the people in the US would die. Australia would be fine though. Right? But anyways, now we move on to Subscribers Galaxy. And wait, let me just see if anyone's commented on the video. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So we have 2 people who have commented for their place in Subscribers Galaxy. So we have Rigel. No, not actually Rigel. So we have this Rigel, which would be so this one is by a user called Mutton, and then we got Jupiter B. What? Jupiter B. Okay, so we got Jupiter B and Mutton. But he asked for the planet to be named Polek. Yep. Polek A. Polek A. And then we got, so we have, oh, by the way, we got, these stars are pretty big. I did not realize they were that big. Wow. So yeah, thank you Mutton and Jupiter B for commenting. Let's get to it. We're going to give let's say let's give him about 400 astronomical units away. There we go. And now we got Polek B. Neck B. Alright, let's check my notes again. So now we got Jupiter B. This is going to be kind of confusing. Jupiter B A. Jupiter BB. Okay. And you get a random rocky planet. You can specify if you want a gas giant or a rocky planet. Just put in like some details. And okay, let's give him something around there. Kind of a hot world. So Jupiter B, you have this. Kind of like a Pangea type thing, but like bigger. How big is it? Yeah, so now let's name this Jupiter B. Jupiter B. Jupiter B. Alright. That's our subscribers galaxy entries for today. And Mutton, aka Polek, he arrived just in time, like 3 hours before I started recording. So good. This should be good. We still have a lot of stars left, so secure your place. Bye.